Good afternoon, people. This is Jimmy with another Beast Form video, and I'm coming to show you the low health of Stomp Snail at the moment. You see the health is very low. Just want to show you some of the stuff I have here. For tickets, we got 100,000 5 tickets. We got gumdrops, we got coconuts, we got stingers, 106. Been getting lucky. Encountered 2 gifted Victus bees yesterday. It was great. These are the sunflower seeds. We'll work on them. Here's a look at my badges. And Stomp Snail's right about to go down at the moment. And this is what we get. Well, we got a Supreme Shell Amulet. How cool is this? Supreme Shell Amulet. At 12% goo. Got 22% convert amount. Got the honey from tokens. I don't know if I should replace. I'm just gonna keep all right now because it doesn't seem that's that much better. Except I can use some pineapple convert amount. Yeah, I guess I'll take it. It's just 4%, so what big deal does it make? Spider, pineapple. What do I do? Yeah, I guess I'll take the pine. I'll just take new. I'll replace. It's only 1% goo. Let's replace. New equip new amulet. Equip new amulet. And just so you know, if you want to maximize your tickets, don't just sit there and do snail. Make sure you use the wolf clock every hour. Because I have 4 right here. Just gonna show you around. "51 minutes for max wealth clock to be 5. So now we have a total of 1,000. Let me show you guys. We have a total of 1,055 tickets. And this is my hive right here. It's not perfect, but we're working on it. Some people tell me I should remove the gifted Victus bee, but I'm not doing that. Yeah, exactly. They tell me to remove it. Just for boosting purposes. To me, it doesn't make much sense at all, but I'm just gonna keep it. I really don't care so much about the honey. Just save my honey up. 3.242 trillion honey. Just paying to save up, trying to save up for level 17 here. Oh, we got our Wendy bee here. And these are the tickets, by the way. So, yeah. This is how much a ticket costs for me. 1 ticket is 187. 2 tickets is 10 tickets is 1.9 billion. 100 tickets is 20 billion. And then if I go all the way to 500 tickets, it's 128 billion, honey. So I don't suggest anyone buying tickets, because every time you buy the tickets, the price only keeps going up. So do not spend your honey on tickets. I do not recommend it. It's not worth spending 500 tickets for 128 billion, honey. Unless you're like super rich and honey. Yes, I can do it. I can go and buy right now, but I'm not going to. I just grind my tickets up the freeway. So yeah, that's it for now. I'm just gonna chase the snail, not the snail, the Wendy bee. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think, and peace out. Have a nice day.